Well, we're out fishing today in Lake Erie. Got a lot of June bugs in the water, so the fish got plenty to eat, I believe. We're just kind of heading in back from West Sister Island and took a little stop here. Get ourselves some water to drink. And look at this beautiful sunset coming over here. Yes, sir. This is what it's all about, guys. Little Lake Erie boating in. West Sister Island. There's Davis Bessie. Home port's dead ahead. We're just gonna take off here and show you what this is all about. Sorry for the wind noise. Not a lot I can do about that. I'll try and get a tripod set up and do this again. It's gonna be a little bit bouncy. 18 foot of water, probably can't see that. Got a little bit of chop, wind kicked up a little bit here. That's okay, keeps this lake clean, aerates it, keeps the fishing good. Fishing was off today just a little bit just because of the June bugs that hatched last week. A lot of food in the lake for them to eat, so didn't catch too many fish, but it's really a better day being out here than going to work. It takes us about 15-20 minutes to get off to our fishing spot, and usually doesn't take long at all. Nice little trip. We're going about 17-18 miles an hour cruising speed and just enjoying some of this Lake Erie chop. This is a really normal setting here on Lake Erie. Beautiful day, 85 degrees, 82 degrees probably now, and just going in for the night. I'll shut this off for a bit and I'll turn it on when we go into the harbor. See you in a little bit. Well, we're back about a mile out shore. It's a beautiful day here on Lake Erie. Wind kicked up, probably got about a 15 knot gale. Not strong, just a little chop. Pretty much normal stuff. Come about. We had a boat coming out of the channel, so we had to give in right away. He was already entered the slip. Oh, got a little rain there. A wash. Out of the channel now. And back in there. we're back to the harbor. Beautiful day here on Lake Erie. Thanks for watching.